is Jyotika and my channel name is Jo Square. So today we are going to make lapsi, which is also known as dalia. So what is lapsi? Okay, and what do we require? हमें क्या चाहिए होगा lapsi के लिए? Like as an ingredient, we need first of all we need lapsi, which is like grains. Dalia कहते हैं इसे. Like it looks like this, and we need some kahanda. We need some kahanda, which is also known as vengayam. We need a few takali, थोड़े से हक्के मिर्च, and we need कड़ी पत्ता. You can do without कड़ी पत्ता also, but I like कड़ी पत्ता. कड़ी पत्ता is good for hair, you know, South Indians, and I like the smell of कड़ी पत्ता. We need palak. So palak के बदले में you can put any other sabzi. I am just become like okay, honest confession, ठीक है. Until when I was at home or when my mom was cooking, I used to run away from palak, green leafy vegetables. मतलब खा लेती थी but नखरे करती थी. But now since I'm away from home, I miss her food and I miss her palak की सब्जी and all the healthy stuff which we used to make with a lot of efforts. So you know, somewhere here and there I just try and recreate and try to eat a balanced meal, which she always, you know, try to deliver to all of, you know, her 3 kids. And yeah, so that's how palak, we will put palak in dalia. And we have kothambir, which is also known as dhania. Okay, masale mein we can do with namak, this is rock salt, and thoda sa haldi, a pinch of haldi, and mirch, like mirch powder, and jeera. Like मेरा जीरा खत्म होने आया है, so we are gonna make use of it. We are gonna quickly chop the palak and put it to boil. कांदा and टमाटर हम चॉपर में चॉप कर लेंगे फटाफट. I think 10-15 minutes में हो जाना चाहिए. Now what do I do with dalia is I take a glass, I put some dalia in this, wash it, rinse it nicely, and then put some hot water. थोड़ा सा dalia अगर मैं इसमें डालती हूँ तो you know वो dalia इतना सा होके वो इतना हो सारा हो जाता है. So it, you know, rises, फूल जाता है. So that happens with hot water. And also it is easier to cook since we are cooking in an induction. It takes a lot of time. I mean, cooking थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है rather cooking on a gas. So what do I do is I put the lapsi in here and then I put some hot water, and then within say 10 minutes until I chop my vegetables, this lapsi grows from here to here. Okay, so we're gonna manage like that, and let's meet after chopping the palak and boiling some palak, and like lapsi को फुलाने के बाद मिलते हैं. ठीक है, बाय. lapsi रिंस हो चुकी है, hot water भी हो गया है. Now can we see the quantity? Like this is the quantity of the lapsi, and once I put hot water in this, just look how it rises. नहीं मतलब तुरंत नहीं होगा, मतलब थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, but yeah. So the water is hot. Okay, so अब ये इतना सा है, and then it will just rise तो ऊपर थोड़ा सा, and वो थोड़ा सा पक भी जाता है, you know, it just cooks in the hot water a little, and which just helps to reduce our cooking time and also standing time in the kitchen. मतलब if you know you know. थोड़ा सा पक रहा है गर्म पानी में, हम तब तक पालक चॉप कर सकते हैं और कांदा टमाटर चॉप कर सकते हैं. फिर क्या है, फिर इसको बघारना है बस, एंड देन ये डन. ठीक है, तेल डाल दिया है, सादा जीरा डाल दिया, मैंने चॉप किए हुए कांदे और टमाटर डाल दिए, कड़ी पत्ता डाल दिया और जीरा ऑलरेडी है. Induction is gonna make a lot of noise, is what I've realized. So we have put salt, haldi and mirch. I've put very little of you know, even the masala, which is the haldi and the mirch, because this is palak, you know, lapsi, and that's how I like it. I like to keep it a little clean. If it was sabzi, I would want to make it spicy, but this is kind of healthy and a clean food. So yeah, so until I don't get a proper turmeric powder, like pisa hua, the raw OG turmeric powders which we get you know, and proper south. So tab tak you're gonna handle with this, you know, because I had already had haldi. I haven't got the powder yet. So once I finish upon this haldi, I'm gonna get that haldi. Matlab it's already there in stock. I will start using it. कांदा भी थोड़ा सा पक गया है और हमने पालक भी ऐड कर दिया है. इन दिस पालक वी गोना ऐड सम हॉट वाटर नाउ. वैसे थोड़ा सा पकने देंगे. So our palak and the kanda tomato thing is almost cooked. Now we'll just add the lapsi in it. ये सारा चिपक गया है, मुझे थोड़ा मेहनत से बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा इसको. And we'll remove the entire lapsi and then just give it 2 minutes. We have added lapsi. Now garnishing के लिए हम कोथिंबीर डाल देते हैं अभी से ही. जो भी हमें डालना है कोथिंबीर हम इसी में अभी गार्निशिंग के लिए we'll add our kothambir and let it cook for say 2 minutes and then it should be done. अच्छे से स्टर कर लेंगे. ऐसे हमारी लापसी तो आधी पक चुकी है गर्म पानी में रहकर. बाकी अब ये थोड़ी सी पक जाएगी और need to continuously stir it once you know add the lapsi so that there are no lumps. या फिर ऐसे उड़ने लगता है, you know that boil चट 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 करके it comes out. So हाँ, see the boils are coming, so I need to continuously keep on stirring it and then we'll be back in some time. Very healthy comfort food is ready. Let's do the taste test. Our hot soupy and comfort food is now ready. We're gonna enjoy it home alone. I made this multiple times by now. And I know how it tastes. Of course, I miss my mama's food and my papa's food as well. पापा तो बहुत मस्त बनाते हैं, मम्मी भी बहुत अच्छा बनाती है, पर पापा भी अच्छा बनाते हैं. I do miss their food, but yes, but when I am cooking, I like to cook, you know, it faster, quicker, healthier, so that you know I can manage work and studies. So घर से दूर हेल्दी खाना हो, दिस माई गो टू. हमेशा हेल्दी खाना होता है मुझे वैसे तो. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग माई मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑन अ स्प्रे आफ्टर माई 20s. आई एम स्टिल इन माई 20s दो, आफ्टर माई मिड 20s. आहा आ गया. अब इसे हाथ में पकड़ा नहीं जा सकता, बहुत गर्म है, पर बहुत यम्मी है. टेस्टी तो है, सूपी भी है, गरम भी है, और बारिश के टाइम पे ओहो मुंबई की बारिश. और ये वैसे मुंबई की बारिश में नथिंग कैन बीट माई मॉम्स मैगी. But yeah, this time when I go home, I really want to cook this for my family. I've never cooked it for them, so I want them to taste and let me know कि कैसे बना है. I especially want my dad to you know taste this. So let's see. हाँ चटका होगा. अच्छा तो बना है. हाँ तो बजा दो मैं, अच्छा तो बना लेती हूँ मैं. खाना बनाते समय नीयत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, खाना अच्छा बन जाता है. तो आगे फ्रेश हो गया मैं. हमने चलो अपना खत्म करती हूँ, तब तक Tata, bye bye. Do shower your love through liking this video and commenting on the video. Also, let me know if you know tried recreating this recipe or this is already a household thing and I'm just discovering new recipes and calling myself a Tumeshwari chef. See you in the next video. Bye bye.